Okay, good morning, everybody. Am I audible? I hope I am audible. I hope everybody is able to see me out here. Just give me a quick confirmation if you are able to see me. Uh, and welcome to this amazing course. Once in 1 year, we launch this particular course. Okay, and we also have Monal with us. So today is the induction session. We'll talk more about this particular induction session. We'll talk about our entire platform, how the sessions will be going on, which all mentors will be included. Uh, because this is a long course. This is gonna be a minimum of 12 months of course, right? So we're going to learn a lot of things, a lot of new things. So many things like last batch 1.0 is still going on, and because of some of the holidays we had to extend it for a couple of months, I guess, and it'll be getting over in March. And many people, I think, you are have shifted from 1.0 to 2.0 to get the best experience out here. Okay, so first of all, is my voice clear? I am clear enough. You're able to hear me out. You are able to see me, both me and Monal. Huh? Okay, so first of all, a brief intro about myself. My name is Krish, and I've been in the AI industry from past how many years now? I started in 2013. Still going on strong in the AI field, doing amazing work, learning new things, implementing new things, creating a lot of impact. Now, full time, we are doing teaching, we are developing products and all, right? So this is just a brief intro, and I know many of you may know me. Okay, so we also have Monal. Monal, do you want to give a brief intro about yourself?
Yes, sure. I think I'm audible, everyone. Hey, everyone. Good morning, good evening. Yes, great. Hello, Krishna. Good morning. Yes. So, guys, my name is Monal. A lot of you might not know me, but you will see me often here. All right. So, my name is Monal. I am a data scientist, AI engineer, and I'm working. I've worked in a lot of startups. I've worked in a lot of MNCs also. So over the past years, I've worked on different domains also: healthcare, telecom, customer systems, and all of those experience I'm going to share with you as well. And currently, what I'm doing currently, I'm also building rack systems, Agentic AI systems. I'm also working on that. And yes, I'm working with Chris, giving you uh, the experience, the best experience we can provide you, and provide the best industry experience as a mentor so that all of you can excel in your career. So this is what we are trying to do. We have already done it, and this is what we will be doing in this batch as well. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Monal. Uh, let's start with. So today is just an induction session, guys. We'll be talking about this batch. We'll be talking about which all days we are going to have the session, how we are going to have the session. Many people will also ask, Krish, after the live session, do we get the recordings or not? So that also we'll be discussing about. I'll be talking about our platform. I'll be talking about our features. So many features that we have brought for you. Uh, if at any point of time or any point of time you face any kind of problems, where do you go ahead and reach out? All those information also I'll be providing. Okay. So are we good to start with? Yes. Can I get a quick yes? Please give some kind of thumbs up, happy emoji. I know many of you right now are only being able to chat. You'll not be able to unmute yourself. The reason is very simple, because I'll tell you, because we want to take this session in a proper way, and in the later stages, after the session gets over, we will take all your questions. We'll be there till everybody's question is basically answered. Okay, I know today is an induction session. People will be quite interested to ask, sir, how to get into this, how to get into that, and all, right? Okay, I'll be sharing my screen. Can you give me a quick confirmation if you're able to see my screen, everyone? Okay. Yes. Totally, you're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, guys, we really love your energy. Yes, guys, please be interactive on the chat. It really helps us, and we can see that you guys are very excited. Okay, Krishna. Yes.
Okay. So, guys, right now, I hope everybody has got the dashboard access. Yes or no? So if you have not got the dashboard access, initially, if you want to go ahead and access your dashboard, it is very simple. See, first of all, there are two main platforms that we are specifically developing, right? So one is krishnayak.in. Here, we have listed all the live courses, right? So this is your course over here, 2.0 Ultimate Data Science and GenAI Bootcamp. And similarly, you can see all the other courses, okay? Inside this live courses, when you click over here, so here you will be able to see this, and I hope everybody has enrolled it from here. When you enroll, you have to go ahead and log in learn.krishnakacademy.com. So this is the LMS platform that we have where all our courses are hosted, okay? Courses and this entire platform that you'll be able to see. The reason why we are using this platform, because here nothing is being advertised in front of you. Here the complete focus is on teaching, learning. You just need to, if you're coming in this learn.krishnakacademy.com platform, here the entire focus is that you are able to learn things over here, right? So here I will be talking about once you log in, right? Go ahead and log in over here, guys. Learn.krishnakacademy.com. Please go ahead and log in with your email ID or phone number. You'll be getting an OTP and you should be able to log in. Just give me a quick confirmation if you're able to log in or not. Okay. Yes, I think that mail information also you have actually got, each and every information. Yeah, perfect. Now I can see that many people are saying, yes, we are able to log in. This is good. Perfect. Now, let's talk about some important section over here that you see in this particular page. So I have also logged in as a user who has taken a course from Krishnayak. Okay. Okay. And then you see over here, the first section that is nothing but feed. Do you see this feed, everyone? The feed means what? This feed basically means it's just like a LinkedIn feed. Like so many people have joined our courses, So they do a lot of conversation within their particular courses. They like to post their work, like what they have actually done. Okay. So here you will be able to see, everybody is able to see this specific post because I have posted this in our batch 2.0 Ultimate Data Science and Generative AI and Agentic AI Bootcamp. Yeah. So here you'll be able to see that many people will be commenting, they'll be putting a heart scene. Like you can see 1.5K people have seen this particular post. Yeah. Priya, if you're facing that particular problem, please contact our counseling team. You have the number. Okay. If you say that your mail could not be verified, you just contact a counseling team, they'll help you out. Okay. So here you'll be able to see this. I think everybody is able to see this particular post. So in order to do this post, you just need to go over here, go ahead and write whatever things you want. Let's say that today you have learned some amazing Python project, okay? And this is what you really want to share over here. So you can just go ahead and write it over here and publish it. So this feed will go to your entire network in this particular batch. Now, how many people have probably attending this particular batch? They will be able to see that particular post. The reason why we made this, why we are using this feature, because if you want to make connections with your team, if you want to probably go ahead and have a problem tomorrow, you want to go ahead and attend a hackathon, you can just go ahead and ping it over here, post it over here. Many people will be able to participate. Okay, clear, everyone? Everyone clear? Yes, yes or no? Okay, so here if you go ahead and see below, so many learnings people will be posting over here, what they are developing, what they are not developing, everything, right? It may be videos, it may be YouTube channel, it may be anything. So they're posting their learnings, they're developing amazing things, right? And no, it will not be available in the internet. It will only be available over here in our platform. Yeah. Feed is public to everyone based on the batches. So let's say this guy is available, is in live agentic AI and generative AI bootcamp. So whenever he posts over here, all the students who are from this specific batch will be able to see it. Make sense, everybody? Yes. So you'll be able to see what kind of learning they are doing. They are developing some amazing application, architecture, right? Jayant Krishna, yes, since you have joined only 2.0 bootcamp, none of your teammates have posted anything right now, right? So only one message you'll be able to see, that is mine. Okay. So here you can see all the posts, all the learnings. This is from all the previous batches, like how we have developed. and people are developing amazing workflows by using N8N, by using LangGraph, LangChain. It keeps on going on. Right? So it's been more than 1 year that we have started our boot camps. Just imagine the kind of efforts people have actually put. And this we can definitely see from the transition stories of all our students who have made into multiple industries, right? So this is amazing, right? Okay, so understood about the feed section? Yes, understood about the feed section? Yeah, perfect. I think everybody's saying yes, so this is good. Now the second one is the workshop session. Now, can anybody tell me what is this workshop session? It is simple, right? You will be getting your meeting link over here, right? What, like today's session, you'll be able to see this. There is this one you'll not be able to see because this is another batch that is going on parallelly. This is a RAG batch that is going on parallelly at this time in a different Zoom link. Okay. But here is yours. So you have got an induction session. You can go ahead and join over here. I have been enrolled in both the batches as a student. So I'll be able to see this in our feed. Sorry, in the workshop, right? Yes, yes. RAG will also be taught. Clear, everybody? Is my voice echoing, everyone? Monal, is my voice echoing?
But it is good. It's almost just 2-5%, but it is fine. Yeah.
Let me check. It should not echo anyhow.
It is good. It is
No,
good.
it should not echo. No,
Yeah,
no, it
yeah.
should
It
not
is not
echo.
a thing. Yeah.
I have a very good mic, man. I have a 25K mic. Okay. I'm so proud of my mic. Okay. Okay. So, very good thing is that at any point of time, I think you have also got the mail for your classes, right? Okay. How many of you have received the mail? Yes. How many of you have received the mail? Yes, you also received the mail. So we also send the mail. Along with that, at any point of time you feel that, hey, your mail may have gone into spam folder or promotion folder, you can just go ahead and have a look over here in the workshop session to understand. Like, let's say that today is the session, 11th. Then you will be having the next session on Wednesday. Then the next session on Saturday and Sunday, like that. Okay. I'll be talking more about it like when you'll be having the session and all. So this is the induction session 2.0. Okay. So similarly, at any point of time, this will be enabled just 15 minutes before the class. You'll be able to get the Zoom link and you will be able to join it from here itself. Okay. So perfect. You have received it. You have received the mail and everything else. So this is the workshop session. Whenever we keep the session here, the session link will be available. Then coming to the next part, that is courses. Now, what is this courses? This is your course dashboard. Okay. So right now, if I go ahead and click on start learning, here is the induction session. Okay. You do not see any. So here I put some prerequisite videos. But other than that, whenever the live session gets over, after 24 hours, these recordings will be uploaded over here. Clear? After 24 hours, the video will get uploaded over here. Why do we take 24 hours, Krish? It takes time because our session goes ahead till 3 to 4 hours for that particular video to be processed by Zoom. It will definitely take some time. Once that video comes to us, then we upload it over here. Clear? Yes? Yes, Pratibha, in both your feed and workshop, only one induction session will be shown because you are only enrolled in 2.0 batch. If you are enrolled in multiple batches, all that particular course dashboard will be shown. Clear? So this course section that you see, you will be able to see all the access of all the other courses that you have joined. Do you see this 2.0 Ultimate Data Science and Ultimate Data Science and GenAI Bootcamp access? Do you see both this access? Yeah. Why you are seeing this? Because this is the batch that is already taking place. And many people were asking for the previous batch recordings. So we started giving us. So here also you can see the induction session. Here also you can see Anaconda installation, right? And here you can see Monal also. Yeah, Monal also. So if anyone wants to get it very hard, no, sir, I cannot wait for 1 month, sir. I want to see the recordings. Go and see the recordings. Everything is over here. right? And here you'll also get an idea like how we specifically teach. Manav Joshi, you should be able to see the batch access, because whoever has got the access of 2.0 batch will be able to get that particular access also of 1.0. No, the entire course will not be broadcast on YouTube. YouTube, I have just streamed because the induction session is there. Okay. So, and in Krishna Academy, we are doing everything in this way. In the further, if you join any batches also, we have the recorded version of that particular batch. Okay. Means the previous batch also, like 1.0, we will also be giving for every batches that comes in the future also. Okay. Okay. So here what you can do, you can go ahead and check it out. Here also all the resources, materials is basically given. You can see right now ML, everything. Like, no, sir, I want to go very quickly like Shatabdi. Okay, go. Content is there, everything is there. You're teaching, you're learning. Monal has taught. We have also trying to bring multiple mentors so that you get the best experience out of everyone. Okay. That also I'll talk about. No, sir, I want to only learn from you. Don't worry about that also. I will give my recordings also. Okay. I will give personally my recordings. I also want to bring monal experience in front of you so that you get to understand multiple things. You get to understand multiple perspectives. Okay. 2.0 will be same as 1.0. No. 2.0 will be more advanced than 1.0 because there are new things that have actually come up. Okay. Perfect. Everyone. So in the courses section, whatever courses you have actually got, the excess of that, you will be able to see it over here. Clear? Perfect. Now there is also one more section which is called as level up. This level up, don't worry right now. I have not enabled it, but we are going to keep some challenges over here. Okay, challenges, hackathons. We will be having some kind of rewards, each and everything. So that once I enable it from my end, it will be seen in front of you where you can go ahead and participate. Clear? Everybody clear? Clear enough? Yes? Okay. And the last section is the most important section, which is called as community messages. Now, many people, sir, I want to talk to my peer, what they are doing. Okay. You go ahead and in the messages section, you will be able to find your own community and you will be able to go ahead and chat it over there. Okay. Unnecessary, do not chat. Hi, how are you? Did you drink tea? Chai pee liya kya? Don't do all those things. Okay. Ask related to any class. Hey, I'm facing this particular concern. Okay. Can somebody help me out over there? Go ahead and ask those kind of questions. Don't say, hi, how are you? Okay. Good morning, good night, good afternoon. Or that WhatsApp forward will come now. Send it to 10 people. This will happen, that will happen. Don't do that. Okay. Only chat something very important. Okay. And don't try to make groups over there. Hey, join my WhatsApp group. We will do something amazing. We will fly to Mars. Don't do that. Okay. The community chat is built in such a purpose that you should be able to see, guys, you need to respond in the Zoom chat, not here. This is a very good thing. But people are yes, 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 yes. See? So this kind of chat you don't do. Not useful. You have Zoom chat, go ahead and ping it over there. I've enabled it over there. Yeah? Yeah? No, no, sir, मेरे को यहाँ भी डालना है. I want to put some kind of must thumbnail. क्या बोलते हैं? Don't do that, okay? Because here you're wasting your time. Here, okay, I'm facing this particular concern. Can anybody help me out? You'll get some good friends, right? Join the meeting link if you want, but again, I'm telling you, don't give WhatsApp group chat over here. No, no, come, we'll do something amazing. You join this particular chat group. Like many people have done it. If you do that, I will ban you from that particular group also, and I'll not refund your money also. I'll make sure that to do that. Okay, because I've seen many people, sir, how chat. Everybody join this particular chat and they'll talk something over there. Okay, I don't want that particular thing to happen. Okay, so this is basically for only important chats, for only important announcement. Hey, today in this particular class, I could not create an environment. Can anybody help me out? So you all will have a very good conversation over here. Make sure to have that kind of conversation so that your learning is very good. See over here, if you see on all the other batches, they only share new things, what they have built, what they have not built, and all. Okay. So these are the four important section that is available in your dashboard. Good enough? Yes or no? Am I selling you any other course over here? Nothing. Nothing. Only mudde ka baat. Like you have to just come and learn things over here. Okay? You just need to come and learn over here. Agree? Yes or no? Agree or not? Yeah? So we are not selling anything over here. Here, for the best, for your learning what it is, that is actually required. From that, you will be able to learn things. Okay? Perfect. Guys, my voice is very much clear. I have a very good internet
It is
connection.
clear,
Please
sir.
check your internet.
Yes, it
Please
is
check your
clear, sir.
internet. Okay? On the right hand side, you will be able to see something called as leaderboard. This leaderboard is based on some metrics. Okay? How many times you are active in your dashboard, how many hours of content you are able to see every day, you know, how many times you have interacted with your course mates, right? How many times you have seen the video, how many times you have answered the comments. All that thing will basically get calculated, and here you will be getting a leaderboard. Okay, and based on this particular leaderboard, you'll be assigned this particular ratings. Now, why this is important, I'll tell you. Why this is important. Sometimes what happens is that we get requirements from the people, from the companies for various job roles. You know, there are two ways how we approach you all, right? The first way is that we definitely post everyone in your community section. Along with that, we also give you a mail saying that, hey, this is what is there. Do you want to apply for this? You can go ahead and apply. We'll give you the link, everything. The second thing is when people do not apply, we try to contact people based on the specific ratings, right? The reason is very simple, because whoever is more active over here, who is doing more things, we'll try to contact them because they will be the most interested people out there for attending those kind of interviews. Okay. Gaurav, everything. This course is, I'll talk more about this particular course, what all things we will be covering, each and everything. Okay. So don't worry. Yeah. The leaderboard will show batch wise. Okay. It will be showing batch wise. Okay. Till here, everything is clear, everybody? Yeah. Perfect. Now let me do one thing. Let me start writing something. Some do's and don'ts that every people should follow. Nikita Kulkarni, I hope you have got the counseling team number. Just directly go ahead and check in the website or in my any of the posts, you'll be able to see that. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is the 2.0 Ultimate Data Science batch. Okay. So let me go ahead and write some do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts. And before writing do's and don'ts, let me talk more about your batch. So your 2.0 Ultimate Data Science in a week will have 3 days classes, right? Which all days you have classes? Saturday, Saturday and Sunday. And then you have, on which days you have? Wednesday. Saturday and Sunday, you have the sessions between 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. IST. We basically say 12 p.m., but I know it is going to go ahead and extend it like anything. Okay. Then Wednesday, what is the timing, Monal?
Wednesday,
I think.
actually, we have mentioned from 8 to 10, 9, but
Oh,
that part we want to make it also flexible for other classes. At the start, it will be 8:30 to 10.
8:30 p.m.
Yes.
to 10:30
30
p.m.
p.m.
IST. And remember, in Wednesday, we are not going to extend
Yes.
more. We will try to close it between 8:30 to 10:30. We'll not take much session, but at least we'll try to cover 1 hour class.
Yes.
And then we'll be having the doubt clearing session. Now, the reason why we are doing this is that because, see, from our experience from the 1.0 batch, right? Because of just taking two only in the weekends on Saturday and Sunday, we are not able to complete the syllabus because holidays are coming in between, right? Because of this, what has happened is that our batch has got delayed, and I don't want that thing to happen. We want to take that speed of the batch, we want to complete it, and we want to give new things to you all. Okay. Wednesday will be difficult for different time zone people. See, that only I am telling you. Wednesday will be a kind of sessions which will not be that important, and that amount of syllabus will not get covered. Okay. We really want to keep that 1 hour class, 1 to 1.5 hour class. It is very, very simple. And because of this only, I have already announced in the batch, like in your course in krishnak.in website, we have to take this. The reason is very simple. We'll not be able to complete the syllabus. If you want to complete the syllabus in 12 months, at least we need to go ahead and do this. So Wednesday, I think you need to manage it. But whenever there is a public holiday, we will be doing. See, Wednesday, when we go ahead and take this particular class, till Thursday, your dashboard will have that particular video. Right? You can go ahead and take Thursday, Friday, and try to see what all things have been covered. Okay. Now, whenever the classes gets over, right? Like let's say this live session is basically getting over. Within 24 hours, your video will be available in the dashboard. Now you may be thinking, Krish, why not in 2 to 3 hours? Yeah, in 2 to 3 hours also, we can do it. Okay. If we get the video directly from the Zoom quickly. Okay. If the video we get it directly from the Zoom in that fast time, we'll be able to upload it. But what happens is that Zoom usually takes time for that particular rendering. So that is the reason we are saying within 24 hours, we will go ahead and put the videos in your dashboard, and that will be the recorded videos. Okay. At any point of time, if you have any kind of concern, I will also talk about that, how you can also go ahead and communicate to us. Okay. Clear, everyone, for here? How many days, how long these recordings will be available? For 1,000 days. For 1,000 days, this recordings will be available. Okay. 1,000 days. Now the next question, Krish, will you give us certification? And you know my answer. What should we do this for this? Okay. What should we do this? Should I give you certification? Sir, we don't want certificate. Okay, good. No certification in Krishnak Academy. No certification in Krishnak Academy. What certificate I'll give you? You are the world best data scientist. Huh? Given a signature by Krishnak. Huh? Who am I to probably tell you are the world best data scientist? Okay. It is based on your work. Monal, do you have any certificate? Monal is
No,
working
sir.
for his client like Apple and all, right? Did someone ask Monal, hey, are you the world best data scientist? But he does a lot of tasks in his company. Yeah. Yeah. But some people may want to reimburse the money from the companies. At that point of time, we will definitely give you a course completion certificate. You can just contact our team. We'll give a format like that, where we are saying it will be in a written letter that you have probably put this much effort, this many number of hours of efforts, and you have completed that. If you want that, you can give me so that you can submit to the company. No, in the LinkedIn, I want to put the certificate by putting nice, what do we say, mala and all. I don't want that one. Okay. I don't believe in certification. I believe in the kind of work that you basically do. So no certification. If somebody is asking me certification, please, I'll make you a certification in Canva. You edit, you put your name, you take my signature also. No worries. Okay. Uh, nice. I'll give you the edited format online directly from Canva. Anybody can edit and put their name. Okay. Clear? So this, no certification from my side. Something, if I do not support, I'll definitely not give that. Okay. So certification work also is done. Clear? Okay. Now, how many mentors are there, sir? Who all mentors will be there? Okay. So for this entire batch, we have identified Monal, Chris, that is myself, Shoranshu Paul. Okay. And we may bring Sunny or Mank. Now the thing is, sir, who will take what? So Monal will start with Python, stats, machine learning. NLP. NLP means NLP with machine learning. Okay. Monal is very good at computer vision also. Okay. But for computer vision, for deep learning, we'll bring Shoranshu Paul. So for this, for deep learning part, we will be bringing Paul. Krish Nayak, that is myself. I will come in GenAI. Okay. GenAI. And then we may bring Sunny for Agentic AI. Now you may be thinking, Krish, no. I want Krish sir's entire video. Many people will say that. Okay. Let me tell you one thing, guys. Along with this, we provide free Udemy courses recorded by Chris sir to everyone in this specific batch. Okay. In this batch or in all the live boot camps, whoever attends, we give our recordings specifically. Okay. Specifically done by me. The reason why I want you all to learn from other mentors also, because these all are mentors who are working in industries, who are working with amazing use cases. My experience of teaching may differ from their experience of teaching, right? They may have developed some more additional projects with new techniques, with what I usually develop. Okay, with what I usually develop. See, let me tell you, one of the problem statement that we are currently working on, right, is this. See, I'm just showing the staging. So this is the new product that we'll be coming up with soon. Industry ready projects. Do you see this? Is this amazing or not? See this kind of industry ready project. We are coming as a product, right? Right now it is in staging, not live. Okay. So here you will be able to see. And here what we are doing is that this will be only an industry ready project. Whoever is only focused in developing industry ready projects, they should only be taking this particular product. See this. Nice, right? And if you just go ahead and see anything, like let's say if I'm going inside this, do you see this? This is how is the architecture that is developed. And to probably develop this product, I alone have not recorded this. We have so many people involved over here who are from industries. Here we are not focusing on how you are teaching. Here we are focusing on, you may be thinking, sir, वो जो पढ़ा रहा है हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Because the level of teaching over here will be very, very high with the kind of projects that we have actually built. हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं AWS, S3 bucket, MongoDB. Like we are talking about MongoDB. We are talking about high level things. We are talking about high level architecture. Do you see this architectures? Do you see this? GitHub, Dockers, registry, AWS, ECR, why it is used, right? And suddenly some people will come and say, sir, I don't know how to create an environment. Now what we should say with that? Sir, your mentor did not teach me how to create an environment, right? So we want to bring up the best kind of experience for you so that you learn in a way that you are able to understand things, right? So that's the reason we are bringing this kind of team who are working together and who are creating this specific impact. Agree, everyone? See, you go and see any projects, like right now you'll not be able to see. See the architecture. See the architecture. Right? Isn't just amazing? If you see prerequisites, basic Python, familiarity, GitHub account, curriculum. See, this is the curriculum, right? Interviews, project interviews also we are bringing up. Okay. So this is the product that we are building, and it will be live on 22nd. Uh, and we are working on this. See, object detection with faster RCNN. See, over here, the architecture you see. Good, right? Now, this projects also you will be able to understand once you are very thorough with the basics of learning that we have actually doing in our batch. Agree? Okay. So this is what is the kind of thing. So that is the reason I'm focusing on multiple mentors who gives you best industry experience, because 12 months batch is impossible just by one mentor to probably take. Both of you will become mad, student and mentor. Okay. No, product, the industry ready project is a separate product, guys. We cannot include everything in such a small price. Try to understand. I think, guys, how many places you have seen that what you pay for the product, let's say live bootcamp, 12 months. In the internet, what price do you see and what price do you see in our platform? Do you agree that we are selling so that we want to really teach people, right? Right? It's just like mentors like Monal, mentors like Sunny, and all are there who are trying to help and who are coming up with a common vision, right? That's the reason we are working together. We don't want to charge very high because we believe that, okay, that much is not required. Yes, we want to make some profit so that we build things like this, like industry ready projects. We bring more people who think like us, right? That's the reason we try to do that. Okay, but definitely, if again people say in this also people will say, sir, please provide some discount. Okay, there also we try to help them out. Okay, that's the main thing about ourselves, right? If you go ahead and see GenAI, Agentic AI, no, right now people are like putting lakhs and lakhs of rupees in this. I've seen multiple platforms, and when I see the content, internally I feel very sad. Okay, because that kind of content is far. Again, I don't want to put more points in that, but just in this only, no. And in this batch, we are going to include everything from RAG to Gen AI to Agentic AI. Uh, we will cover multiple frameworks. We'll do multiple things and all. Right. So that is the thing that we really want to bring. We want people to learn. We want people to learn in such a way that they create impact in the companies. They do amazing work. That's the reason we are doing this. Okay. Clear? So all these things are there. We have also answered about certification. We have answered this free Udemy courses once in every classes. This class I will not do give because I know in induction session everybody will come. From next session, because I've seen, initially people will join, then people attendance will start reducing. So when people's attendance will start reducing, that time I will share. I want you all to come and join the batch. There are 1,000+ students. Don't worry about the students. There are not 1,000+ students also, right over here, right now. Okay, I can see the number directly on my eyes. Okay, people are worried about that. Sir, how many बच्चे हैं? कैसे आंसर करोगे? अरे भाई वो तुम्हारा टेंशन नहीं है, वो हमारा टेंशन है. Okay. ओके, तुम्हारा टेंशन नहीं है, हमारा टेंशन है. हम लोग पैसे पढ़ाते हैं. वी नेवर गिव एनी काइंड ऑफ complaints. Yeah, some people will be there that even their parents and God can't help them. How can we help them? Okay, they are bringing all the frustration. Some people will come with a lot of frustration. Yeah, lot of frustration. Sir, मेरे को I have just attended this induction session. Tomorrow only you make me a data scientist. ऐसा नहीं होता है. It will not be possible like that. Okay, so please be patient. Okay, every time and every month we'll also keep some kind of hackathons, some kind of task, and there will be some rewards. And if you do well, you may also get hired in our company itself, in Krishna Academy, where we are building products and all, right? You'll be hired over there. Okay, usually whenever the class happens, let's say from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., right? And after this, we start our doubt clearing session. In the doubt clearing session, what we do is that we first of all allow people to raise their hand, not now, in the doubt clearing. Okay. When people raise their hand, we unmute them and we allow to talk them. If they want to share the screen, they can share the screen, and we will try to answer them also. Okay. But over here, you have to wait. Okay, you have to wait. See, the thing is that if you want to provide the best experience, we need to talk with everyone. Everybody wants to talk, right? So there will be a long list of line, people waiting, right? They'll be raising their hands. One person will be asking the doubt. It may go to 2 to 3 minutes. And we have also seen, like, if 100 people have the doubt, right? Everybody will, more than 50% of the doubts will be common. More than 50% of the doubts will be common. So please listen to every other doubts also. I know you may get frustrated. You need to wait for some time. Please just be with that frustration for some days, because after some days that all will get reduced. Okay. And people, when you hear this 50% of the common doubts, your query will be resolved. Then also, there will be many people. We want to talk to Chris sir, we want to talk to Monal sir, just for our satisfaction. Just wait. Okay. And in this doubt clearing, we want to first of all give preference to other people who are from countries who are joining at late night or early mornings. Okay. So please also take care for that particular time span, because we will be giving them preferences first. Okay. Like US people will be there. They will be coming up the late night or early in the morning. So we'll clear their doubts very much quickly, so that they can go ahead and do this. That is basic humanity, guys. We cannot enforce someone to be staying at night, because they also do not have any other option, right? People who are learning from there, they're learning for some reason, right? They may be from other countries because of cost factor, because of other things. So let's be together. At the end of the day, we are one kind of family, right? We want to learn in a way that everybody achieves some kind of goal, right? So please try to do in that particular way. Be thoughtful, be kind to each other, right? If one person is learning, one person is getting the doubt cleared, be happy for them, right? Similarly, your doubts will also get cleared. But unless and until all your doubts are not cleared, we will not close the session. That I will compulsory give you a full proof answer for that. Whatever doubts is there, please wait. We will answer everybody's doubt over there. Okay. Clear? I think everything is covered, Monal. Anything that is remaining?
No, sir. Everything is clear.
Okay, perfect. Do's and don't. Okay, do's and don't. The first thing, whenever the mentor is teaching, just focus on the screen. Focus on the screen. In between, you may have queries. Please wait. When mentor is teaching for 20 minutes, then he'll ask, do you have any queries? If many people say no queries, then he will continue. If many people says, yes, there is a query, you need to make us understand this topic again, then the mentor will again explain it. Okay. If some of the people are there, no, sir, we are not able to understand. Many people says, yes, we'll continue. But in the doubt clearing, we'll again clarify those. Okay. Okay. One more thing. And one more thing with respect to do's and don'ts, right? In between, nobody is going to unmute you. So please make sure that nobody, just focus on the screen, focus on your learning itself. That is very much required. Now, if you go to the dashboard, do you see this resources section, right? So after every module or every class that is uploaded in the resources section, you'll be able to see the resources also and materials also. Okay. The mentor will keep on sharing. Clear? Perfect. I think we're good. Now what I will do, I think we can start taking the doubt clearing, right?
Yes.
Monal?
Yes. Sure, sir.
Okay. Monal, you just unmute one person and at a time, wait, I'll first of all give you the host access.
Yes.
Okay. Continue.
All right. Yes. All right. So, Jogiraju or Jogiraju? Yes.
Yeah. Hi, Krish.
Hello.
Monal. Thanks for class. So actually, basically, I'm just working in MNC company where I started to use the RAG kind of model to build the projects in this current month and next month. So I joined this course. I have a uh, good and basic understanding of RAG model, how to implement, what to implement, and everything. So this class will teach from basics to RAG model. Also, we'll be covering in this particular part, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
it will take some time to get
Yep.
that RAG and other things to happen in this class.
Yep. Yep.
So
It
is
will
that
take time.
any, yeah. So is there any way that there is another RAG course is going on parallelly,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
is
Yes.
that some kind of things we can go ahead there? We need to
All right.
purchase it, or
Yes.
such
Yes.
kind of Krishna I told us there are some kind of Udemy courses which he already
All right.
developed, so we can
Yes.
get that kind of stuff so that in parallel, because we are not we are experienced people, so we cannot wait
Understand.
till so long time. So if there is any parallel kind of approach, or we need to purchase a thing, or
Okay.
we'll get a good kind of stuff material in Udemy or some kind, right? If we can share it early or next, as Chris told, not in this particular stuff, but
Next
yeah,
weekend class, I'll share it, sir.
yeah,
Okay.
next week, so that we will be in touch with the standards of our organization, and the same with the current environment, whatever we have.
Yes, yes. Next
Yeah,
weekend, sir. Okay.
yeah, sure.
See, there is also one more thing, right? We run something called as AI Pro. Okay.
Okay.
In AI Pro, there is a plan where, like, let's say, there is some price for that. Okay. If you have joined 2.2 Ultimate Data Science,
Yeah.
2.2 Ultimate Data Science minus price, remaining what is there, you give it, and you get access to all the batches for
Okay.
yearly subscription basis.
Okay.
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 So whether it is RAG, whether it is Agentic AI, whether it is any kind of batch, you can go ahead and access it. Okay. But
Sure.
again, with all these things, Udemy will definitely come for free. I'm telling you. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Only that because in middle we need to develop the projects. We cannot wait till last minute, because
Agree.
yeah,
Yeah.
so that kind, if you can, because you are amazing that I never went into this type of courses, but yeah, after seeing your YouTube video for few things, I just joined it with no with no one coordination or contact. So just I want to explore on the more updated industry updates and everything. I just want to learn, so that
Sure.
yeah,
See, like parallelly right now at 9 o'clock, another RAG batch is going on. Paul is
yeah,
taking care of that. And there
okay,
we are teaching everybody RAG from basics and scratch. So just have a look, like talk to the counseling team, they'll help you out with this. Okay.
okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you
Continue.
very much. Yes. All right. So we have Ravi next. Hey, Ravi.
Yeah. Uh, Hi, Molan. Hi, Krish. So I have a couple of questions. So first thing, like if we are focused on agentic AI or becoming an AI engineer or an AI architect, generative AI, so how much of this concepts related to machine learning and related to the deep learning, or how much of the like or the supervised learning, all these models that you teach, like how much are they required for a generative AI engineer, and how much can we
All
does it
right.
not require? So
Understand.
basically, that
Sure,
is,
sure. I will tell you. Okay. So if I talk about current market, we do have very few positions, but that is not going to be the case in future. That is agentic AI engineer. For me personally, there is a big importance for AI engineer. Okay. Agentic AI engineer, let's remove that tag from the job profile. There is something called as AI engineer, which is on the top of AI. All right. That person should know everything. So AI engineer in 2026 are expected to know agentic AI. It also means that that engineer tomorrow, because you are going to work with multiple clients, right? But tomorrow you have a data requirement and there you require a machine learning also. Then what you will do? You cannot say to a client or a company that I don't know machine learning or deep learning. I only know agentic AI. Are you able to understand? So if you are restricting yourself only for agentic and RAG, you will not be able to solve the problem of data science. Guys, this is about problem statement. It is not about tech. If you want to excel in your career, you have to be engineer, and engineer solves everything. You cannot just restrict yourself that I only know agentic AI and that's all. No, that's not how industry works. Tomorrow you want some X project which only requires agentic. It might be possible that the next project is for deep learning where you're only going to work with computer vision. Then what you will do? No, sir, I don't know computer vision. You cannot say this to a company or your company, right? You cannot say this to your team or company that I don't know certain things. So if you have a capability of engineer, you have skill set of an engineer in 2026, then you will be able to solve anything. So does this answer your question, Ravi?
Yes, yeah. I also want to ask about, see, my this is my understanding. Maybe I could be
Mm-hmm.
wrong. We can
Mm-hmm.
clarify that. See, for
Yes.
agentic AI or AI engineer, let's say they are talking about fine tuning. They
Mm-hmm.
talk about some more specialized things which are not in the skill set of a traditional machine learning engineer. So,
Mm-hmm.
the focus of this batch is everything, or like even the fine tuning, or even the cloud deployment, and even the scaling and everything, or the
No.
focus is a generic AI and ML engineer.
No, focus is on how to become a AI engineer. That's what our focus is. But if you want to be more specialized, that is AI engineer who knows fine tuning of LLMs, that is a specialization that we also provide. But that specialization we cannot cover. Otherwise, that will be 6 months. But and I'm also talking about load balancing and other things. Those are a part of ML ops, LLM ops. So a generic AI engineer, but a great machine learning engineer, deep learning engineer is what you're going to get, is what you are going to be here. So machine
Okay.
learning, deep learning, AI, Gen AI, all those parts you're going to cover. But if you want to be very specific that, sir, I want to create a computer vision model like generative models, right? I want to train my own transformer and create some large language model. Then that is a specialization of Gen AI that you have to go inside. But what is LLM? How to train LLMs? What are LLMs? How to create a project out of it? How to be industry ready. So you, if tomorrow you have an interview, once this course is completed, right, you will be able to clear that, is what this level is going to bring you. All right.
Yeah, yeah, thank you. And one
Yes,
more
sure.
thing, I think the
Mm-hmm.
request for Krishna. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm in the AI Pro plan actually,
Yes.
but actually I just recently started this like 1 month ago. But this course started now. The problem with the AI Pro plan is it will expire within 365 days, and I'm a bit scared that I will lose the access to everything, including this batch, because I'm following this. Like, is it possible if you have an AI Pro
See,
batch?
again, I'll tell you,
Yeah.
Ravi, the main thing is, no, this 1 year is also more than sufficient sometimes. It is like how regularly you're studying. Okay. The reason why we have kept 1 year subscription, we did not increase it because there are many changes that are happening. Okay.
Yes.
So many changes when they are happening, no, we are going to repeat this batch again and again.
It will be relevant
Okay.
in future then.
Yeah,
Like once in a year we are launching this batch, then but other batches will repeat it. The reason is the frequent changes are basically coming in the libraries. Okay. But I'll just talk to my team whether I can increase from 1 year to 1.5 years. That I'll check. Okay.
yeah, like something like recorded sessions. I mean, not for all the batches,
See,
all the
that
batches.
only I'm telling you. All the
Sure.
Udemy courses I'm providing in the form of a recordings to you all.
Okay.
Okay. At any point.
Sure.
Udemy is for lifetime. Okay. That is free for you all. Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Krish. Like, I just
Yeah.
don't want to miss the continuity. That's the reason why I'm
Sure.
just
Sure.
asking.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. So there is one chat that, guys, you can get AI Pro anytime, in between course, after course, right now as well. So it's totally up to you. Just contact our team and they will be able to help you on the
Wait,
AI
wait.
Pro
I'll
part.
just send you the team number so that you
That's great.
can just talk to them at any point of time. Sean or Darius, it is up to you. But again, sometime overcommitment. Don't overcommit yourself.
Yes.
Start with a basic. Then, if you are good enough, then go ahead.
Yes. Yes.
You know. So you can call this number, everyone. Okay, I've provided the number also. Yeah. Ishan is our counseling team. So yeah, continue, Munal.
All right.
Allow quickly.
All right. So next we have Atanu Roy. Yes. We're not able to hear you.
Am I audible this time?
Yes, you're audible. You're audible. Hello. How are you?
Thank you. Yeah, I am doing good. So,
Great.
just I
Mhm.
have a basic questions. Actually, honestly, I am eager to learn, being a novice, okay, like I have just basic understanding of Python. Honest confession, sir, like I don't have much understanding of AI, but I want to transition. So like I definitely look forward to this course and commit myself to brush and take up these things. Just wanted to know, like whenever the sessions are going on, like whatever projects we would be building or whatever practice we would be doing, like any kind of hardware specifications that we need in our personal laptops, or we would be getting some online cloud based simulator kind of things.
All right.
That's
Sure, Latam. Okay. So first of all, I want to answer your first question that you want to learn from the novice level, right? And trust me that this course has no prerequisite. If there is some prerequisite, I'm also going to cover even from the computer science background point of view, not just data science, but I will also cover from the computer science point of view if that requires in the course. If because how we teach is we don't teach just from the syllabus. Syllabus is there, guys. Syllabus, everything we are going to complete. But if you guys require something that you're not able to understand, it might be possible 20% of people does not know something, then we will also teach that so that we will be able to complete the syllabus. All right. So it's not like we, whatever is there, we are going to skip it or we are not going to add anything. It's totally depend on the batch, how people are. All right. Does this answer your
mm,
questions? First question.
yes,
All
yes,
right.
sir. Yes.
Second is from the hardware perspective, don't worry about it. We will be showing you multiple methods. You just need to have a basic laptop. I'm not saying i5, i7. I will share one post where I've written all of these things based on your budget. If you already have a laptop, don't worry about it. If it requires later in the stage, maybe after this course, you think that now I want to go into the specialization and build more things. Again, there are more ways in cloud where you can subscribe and do learn all of those things, practice all of those things. But for now, it is not required. Maybe later you can also ask the same question and I will be able to help you. But don't worry about it now. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah. Just I was worried, like if things
Mhm.
comes up all of a sudden, then I mean, it better
Yeah.
planning should be done. That's
If you
why.
are
Okay.
able to, if you're able to run Google Chrome with 10 tabs, 12
Ha ha
tabs,
ha.
then probably you will be able to learn from this course. All right. At least at the
Yeah,
initial part of it. But later part, we will show you collab and a lot of amazing things, which is already free of course. All right.
yeah, yeah. Sure.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yes. Next we have Surya. Surya. And guys, whoever is done, please unraise your hand so that we can see clearly here. All right. Yeah, Surya, you're next. Surya, are you there? All right. In the meantime, Deepak, you're next. Deepak.
Thanks, Krish sir. Thanks, Monu, for giving me opportunity to talk. So basically, what I wanted to check on a few things. I am posting some question on a chat. So
Yes.
will all be addressed or something which is very important will be get addressed?
No. It's not like that. See, a lot of the times what we have seen that because we have a lot of people, if someone pings in the chat section, right? What happens is that the chat gets scrolled on top and we are not able to see in our current screen. So from your side, what I am requesting, what we are requesting is that again copy and paste the same thing so that until unless that query is cleared. But what we are saying from our side is that every query will get cleared. All right. But because of the technical things, because the things get scrolled up, we will not be able to see. But everything will be answered in the chat section or at the end of the class. We will raise the hand just like this one, and I will be answering your query. All right.
Thank you. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Sure.
So,
Yes.
basically, transition into the AI field. So, I come up with a lot of doubts here, but only with the name of the Krish sir, which I have heard into the industry most of the time. So that's why I enrolled with this. So
Guys,
coming from
don't worry.
the QA background, moving to the AI field, how this transition will get happen? So what all help I
You will
will
make
get?
it happen. We will help you. You will make it happen. And don't worry. See, here, when you learn from us, we don't just teach you to become a data scientist. We teach you to become engineer. And if you're an engineer in this field, you develop something, you build something. And if you're able to do that, you can transition. That's what we do actually. All right. So don't just focus on exact job role. Just keep learning from us, keep building, keep doing whatever the assignments and everything. and you will be able to achieve what you want. Your goals might change also in the middle of the course, so don't worry about it. But this is for everyone, guys. Everyone will be able to go where everyone will be able to achieve their goals. But you just need to work on yourself. All right. This is what we will say.
Okay.
Everything is possible. Yeah.
Okay. So basically, if I want to connect with one-to-one with you or Chris sir or anyone, can we do it here, or we in a
Yeah,
doubt
yes.
session, or
This is the
we
main
have a
channel
link?
where it will happen. Okay, this is the main channel where it will happen, and also in the community. See, there are a lot of peoples in the community who is already in the data field, but they want to learn more advanced things. So what they will do, what you will do, you will raise a question there. Okay, you will ask a question there. Other people might be able to help you. And I have seen people. I personally know people who have transitioned from HR. All right, and one-to-one is something. Currently, we are one to many. All right.
Okay.
So yes, so this is how we will be doing it mostly. But if you have a pretty serious concern that tomorrow you have an interview and you want to ask something, you can literally ping me in LinkedIn, and I will be answering your query. I personally help a lot of people who have this last minute question for the interview for everything. So guys, we will help you.
Okay. So it would be helpful if we get all LinkedIn IDs of you,
Yes,
Chris sir, and everything.
I will provide, but in the syllabus also you will see there is a link of all the mentors in the LinkedIn. If you click it, you will redirect it to the LinkedIn page, because a lot of the
Oh,
mentors are not available in this session, but in the syllabus, everything is there. All right.
okay. Okay. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Thanks a
Yes.
lot.
Thanks, Deepak. Thank you. Yes, Surya, you are next. Surya, are you there? And guys, whoever a query is done, please unraise your hand so that we can see clearly. Guys, if you have doubt, currently we are focusing on doubt. This is what the introduction session is just about, how you're going to process all of this places, different tabs, different sections of our things. And if you're clear and if you don't have doubt, you can stay or you can enjoy your weekend. But yes, Wednesday, guys, we'll be starting with whoever is staying till now. Wednesday, we'll be starting the installation, and you will see you will get the meeting links also with that time. All right. Yes. Okay. Next is Deva.
Hi.
Deva, hello. Hey.
Yeah, I just wanted to know, I heard like there are multiple paths of learning, right? One is traditional way of starting with the data science, Python
Mm-hmm.
and data science.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I saw somewhere the flow diagram where you can start with the traditional way, or you can directly jump on and go with the modern way of starting with the GenAI, RAG, and
Yes.
Agentic AI.
Yes. Yes.
So,
Yes.
so how is
All right.
that? When do
Okay.
we?
All right. All right. Okay. Okay. I think the best thing to show you. Okay. Let me just show you this. Just give me a second. All right.
Sure.
Give me a second. All right. Let me share my screen, and then this will uh, help you help answer everyone. I hope everyone is able to see my screen. Others, guys.
Yeah.
All right. So, guys, this is the roadmap which I have created. You can see this on my LinkedIn as well. And here you can see that it also applies to 2026 as well. Here you can see Agentic AI engineer. All right. So you can literally go to Agentic AI engineer, and you can see that here we need to know agents and RAG, which is not a traditional machine learning. You can see machine learning is also grade here. It means it is not a requirement, but you should know how to communicate with LLMs. That is prompt engineering. You should know Python. You should have a little bit of software engineering. So here machine learning is not required. You can choose any of the specialization. You can also remove the GenAI component also. But if you want to focus on agents and RAG, you can become agentic AI engineer. But this is a minimum requirement. But whoever wants to excel in their career, do you want minimum requirements, guys? Sir, you're not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yes,
Yeah.
you're audible now.
Monal,
Yes.
I've given you the link. Just see in the
All right.
chat.
Yes, yes, yes. All right. Yes.
Go down. This you can show. Wait. Go up. Go up. Yeah, this one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
this
one.
one you can
Yes.
show.
All right. Yes. Okay. Yes. Everyone is able to see this also. This is from Krishna. Okay. So based on you, this is the advanced route, modern route, traditional route. This is the traditional route. All right. In the modern route, you can see generative AI, you can learn, you can master generative AI, you can add agentic AI and become generative AI engineer. All right. There are different paths to it. So here you can see that it does not require your machine learning. It does not require your deep learning. All right. But you can also go to this way. But as I'm saying that, guys, in industry, do you want to become do you want to excel, or do you want to just become the basic or the ideal version of it? Tell me, do you want to become the minimum requirement, or do you want to be an advanced user of all of these things? Tell me in the chat. Excel in industry. All right. So for someone who wants
Okay.
to, this is
Sorry to cut you, Monal. Can I say something here?
Okay. Yes, you can see.
Yeah, no, the point I wanted to understand is as part of this course,
Mhm.
do we have multiple options to choose, or are we going to
No.
go
No,
with the traditional?
see,
Yes.
I will tell you, okay.
Mhm.
See, this course is about traditional route, okay,
Yes.
like how we will be covering things in the traditional route. Now
Mhm.
the question is that do we have any modern route and all also?
Mhm.
Okay, do we also go ahead with modern route, or do we teach this advanced route also? Yes, we have parallel batches where we teach modern route and advanced route also. Okay, so for all these three categories, we do take sessions with respect to this. Now, for 2.0 Ultimate Data Science, we are only going to follow the traditional route. But if you want to quickly go to the modern route, that's the reason why I said that we will be providing recorded videos.
Yeah, got it. Very
Okay,
good. Thank you, Krish. Yeah.
recorded videos in Udemy. Live
Yes.
session recorded videos is also provided till deep learning. So this Learn DS fundamental is ready. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, next month, we are coming up with this modern route batch, specific batch, where we are going to start with generative AI, mastering generative AI, adding agentic AI. This is the next month we are coming up, and this is a separate batch altogether. Okay.
Okay.
So what we are doing is that we are trying to create three pipelines with respect to this particular track. Okay. That's the reason why I'm saying that people who are interested to quickly go in any of the tracks, they can
Yes.
go ahead and prefer the AI Pro batch. Agree?
Agreed.
Yeah. So that is what I was trying to
Thank you.
actually
Yeah.
tell about. Yeah.
All right.
Right. All right. So Chris cleared our doubt. I hope everyone is clear,
Yes.
guys.
Thank you.
All right. Yes. Thank you. All right. Next we have Umang. Umang, you are next.
Hello, am I audible?
Umang, your voice is very low.
Hello, am I audible now?
Yes, it is better. Yes. What is the query?
Yes, I had a concern relating to projects. Will
Mhm.
any of the projects will be covered in this batch?
Yes. Yes. We cover projects. Without projects, we cannot complete the course. All
Because
right.
what
We will.
happened is we do understand the concept, but sometimes we are not able to apply it in projects.
Don't worry. Don't worry. You will never face this issue. All right. As I mentioned, our target is not to teach you. Our target is to make you engineer. And trust me, when you're engineer, you can build things. You will be able to do it, Umang. All right. Anything else, Umang?
No, no.
All right. Yes, that's great. Uh, okay, Surya, what is the query? Surya, we still can't hear you. Something is wrong with your mic. All right, guys, Surya's not, something happened with his mic. Okay, Shiva. Shibra Subramanian. Yes, you're next. Shiva. Uh,
Hello.
yes, we
Ah,
can hear you. Yes.
yes, Monal. I have a doubt regarding that. I was a BPO background, working in 24/7 project. Saturdays, Sundays, I won't be unable to take a live session. Is that recording will be available?
Yes.
Uh,
Recording will always be available after that.
mm,
See, we told that within 24 hours we will process the recordings. That is our ATA. Okay, you will see the
mm.
recording after, and once the recording is uploaded, you can watch it, and yes, you can revise it again. So you will be on track.
And if I have a doubt, how I can contact. So
Okay.
we can say,
For us, for that is our community is there, right? You can question. We will be there to answer. And again, as Krishna mentioned, that it's not just for hi, hello. We should not even do hi and hello. We should ask serious question that in the community. All right. So please do that. All right. And also on
sure.
Wednesday we have in a different time, right? So you can also join
Yes.
the Wednesday classes. All right. We will clear your query.
Yeah, sure, Monal. And another question I have, as you said, that there is a traditional method and modern method, advanced method. If I just now we are starting from scratch for
Yes.
us, and if I want to do rest of the session, this course will be continuing to that
Traditional.
pathway, or else yeah,
It will
traditional
always,
to.
this course will always run on the traditional path, all right? Because the traditional path is where you make your base, all right? Base, understand everything. And if you want to jump from the base, but is interested in building things, then you can jump to the modern way. Modern way is more focused on building things, solving things. Traditional way is more about, there is a difference between a researcher and an engineer, right? So traditional way makes you a between researcher and engineer, and the modern way makes you kind of an engineer. All right.
Yes, whether we need to pay the price, or else is any discount will be available.
For which one? For any
More.
query on those things, you can contact our team. All right, and they will be able to help you. I think Krishna
Yeah.
already mentioned the number of the support team, right?
Yes, yes.
Our counseling team. So you can check our counseling team, and they will be able to help you in any query uh, on this courses and prices of it. All right.
Yeah,
They
thank
will be
you.
able to guide. Yes, yes, sure, Shiva.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So, on this album, sorry if I am not pronouncing your name correctly. Hello. Yes, you can. You are already unmuted. Guys, class recorded will be available to everyone.
Can you hear
Yes.
me now?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. Hi, Monal.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you. Thanks for the session. And yeah, I before I have so many questions, so I got clarified from most of them. The one final question is, yeah, I am currently working for a manual testing. So even dot pointer level, I don't have idea about the coding knowledge. So before I was reaching out the counseling team, before I'm joining the session, they completely telling that there is no pre-request, so everything will be covered in the session. Yeah, I to understand. Definitely, I'm eager to waiting to learn this from you people. And one more thing is, okay, if I am learning today, okay, and you are giving some assignment, so I have done my part. How you can evaluate, and how you can guide me, and what is the output? And
I will tell you.
yeah.
See, now that we have LLMs also, right? I will tell you, I will give everyone a prompt, all right?
Mhm.
When the time comes, and evaluation will happen automatically. Okay, so don't worry about that.
Okay,
Now
okay,
you have lot of mentors in your hand. Everyone has lot of mentors in their hand called as LLMs, right?
mm, mm, mm,
And yep. So don't worry, we will find a better way, but
mhm,
for sure, no one will be left out. Everyone will be able to learn and
mm.
also understand from their mistakes also. So don't worry. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
the question here. Thanks for
Yes.
answering.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes. Sure.
have a good day. Bye.
Yes. You too have a good day. Okay. Shri is how to access class recording. Please clarify. All right, Shri. Krishna already showed you, but I will also revise it again. See everyone, anyone who has doubt on class recording, guys, this is your course section. This is what everyone will be able to see, but not all of that, but you will be able to see your courses. You can see this is 2.2 Ultimate Data Science. This is your course. What you will do, you will go to this course, and this is your dashboard. All right, this is your dashboard. Today, we don't have any recordings available because this is the first session. But once that is done, you will see recorded sessions here. All right. Everyone will be able to see a new section here where all the live lectures that are recorded will be present here. All right. Everyone clear? Guys, I will share my LinkedIn profile. Don't worry. Okay. So this answers Shri's question. Okay, next we have Ujjwal. Ujjwal, you are next. Guys, you always get notes, PDF, whatever we are writing, whatever we are writing code or writing things in the notepad, you will get PDF of those as a resource. Don't worry, we'll tell you as well.
Mona, I'll
Okay,
tell one
Ujjwal.
more point about knowledge sharing,
Mhm.
posting in the LinkedIn, how to
Yes.
probably
Yes.
take a couple of minutes session on that.
Yeah, sure. All right. Okay. Before Ujjwal, just I want to pause you for a minute and then tell you one very important thing to everyone. Guys, we live in social media era. Okay. Everything HRC managers see, whatever they are able to see, they will interact with that. And if you're someone who is there are a lot of people who are introvert. Even I was introvert before. And but if you're not interacting with the social media cannot interact with you. And who are social media? Who is social media? Other people around us, right? Other people around us. If you don't interact, trust me, I got my first freelancing job from social media, from LinkedIn. So if you want all of these opportunities, if you want other people to see you, that Chris sir is mentioning that we should share knowledge. All right. You should tell us that, okay, this is what I was able to learn from this class. This is what I'm going to post, but post in such a manner that other people want to read. I will also tell you how to post and how to create good post. It will only take 3-4 minutes in the class, but I will only do it for one time. All right. Everyone should know how to do all of that. But if you don't share your learning, other people will never know that you are in the learning phase. What happens if someone wants an intern? They will only see people. If I go to the LinkedIn and search for machine learning, I will also see posts for people who has tagged machine learning, who has learned from these places, who is writing machine learning. Yes, guys, agree or not? Write in the chat. If I want to get a PDF, just like a Google search, right? If I want to search something, those people, those links should come up. And if you're not coming up on those links, on those searches, it means you are already losing the opportunity. So this is pretty serious. I also told this in the previous batch, and people are doing it. People are interacting and they get really, really good results. People interact, they get to know a lot of managers. Their managers are interacting, other people are interacting. So if you want opportunities, it's not like once the course is completed, then I will start posting. No, that is not how things work. People are not waiting for you. You are waiting for opportunities, and that's what you should do. So everyone uh, will tell you what exactly how you should prepare things, how you should post things, but be ready to post things. Be ready to not be an introvert, at least on the social media. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? All right. Yes. So this is what everyone should be doing. I will tell you from the next one. All right.
And please do make sure to tag us so that
Yes.
we reshare the post. We
Yes.
try to bring more of your post towards the audience, right? Who will be our common followers or connections. Okay.
Yes, because guys, if you don't tag us, if you're not able to see, someone who has lot of followers, a lot of people, if they comment or interact with your post, other people will also be able to see your post. So we don't want other people to not see your post. We want other people to see. So whenever someone tags me, Krish, or any mentors in the Krishna Academy, we interact with that post, and you guys will be able to see that. Other people will also be able to see your post. You will have more impressions. All right. So guys, induction class will also be uploaded. All right. Okay. Next one. Sudhir. Okay. Sorry. Ujjwal, you are the
Yeah.
first one. Yes.
Hi, Monal. Hi,
Hello.
Krish. Monal, just wanted to understand
Mhm.
like how much of a mathematics concept is involved here, and which are the topics we should brush up in them for the maths, and
Basic
will
mathematics. Yes.
basic
Yes. First, complete your course. Complete your
and is
question. Yes.
MCP is also getting covered in this course? Thank
All
you.
right. Okay. Ujjwal, have you checked the syllabus? Yes. So in the syllabus, we are also completing MCP. I was just checking that because we do have a lot of parallel classes. MCP is going to cover, that is the second question. First is mathematics. You should know the basic mathematics. At least you should know what is, we are not focusing on trigonometry, but whoever completed trigonometry, their basics mathematics classes like matrix multiplication. Don't worry, we will again teach what are the formulas we'll be using to do the multiplication. But for the familiarity, if you have completed your 9th and 10th grade, then it will be more than enough. Okay, we will teach you further. Is that clear? Ujjwal?
Yeah, so related to stats like mean, median, mode, all those things you will be covering, or we should be prepared and
Everything,
okay.
everything.
Thank you,
We
Manoj.
will literally for the initial 6 months, we will literally spoon feed every piece of information. Then later, we want you to become engineer. Then the advanced part will come. All right. This is
Thank you,
for
Manoj.
everyone. Yes, sure, Ujjwal.
Thank you.
Next, we have Sudhir. Sudhir, you're
Hi,
next.
Manal. Are you able to hear
Hello.
me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, hi, Krisha. So I have one question actually. So I am also experienced person. So currently I'm working under VBA project, Visual Basic
Mhm,
Application.
mhm.
So currently, whatever the product which I am working, it is more than I think 4 to 6 months. Then they will ramp up that project. So I need to jump into other project. So the meantime, whatever the course which I'm learning right now, right? So maybe 4 to 6 months. So will I able to jump into that data science at GenAI after
Yes,
6 months? Will I
yes.
able to
So
try?
yes, yes, you will be able to try it. See, in the
Hmm,
first initial 6 months, you will be able to understand machine
hmm,
learning and NLP also. Okay.
hmm, hmm,
And trust me that in any organization,
hmm.
there is around 50 to 60% scope for machine learning. Right now, every project is Agentic AI RAG, that is
Hmm.
around 40 to 50%. But half of that is also machine learning analysis and all of those things that we will be learning in the first half of the course.
Okay, okay.
All
Because
right.
I am
So you
I
will be
am
able to jump
from
it.
the scratch of this Python and all those things.
Yep.
That's the reason I'm specifically asking this question.
No, no, don't worry. You will be able to jump. We are teaching in a way that we will cover all the advanced part of it also. So in
Okay,
detail. So maybe even the machine learning engineers will know less than you will be learning from here. So that part we can guarantee. All right.
okay, okay. Yeah,
Sure.
okay. Thanks,
Yes.
Manoj.
Yes. You're welcome. Rohit. Rohit, you're next. All right. After Rohit, we have Sankalp. Sankalp.
Sorry, can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, Rohit, I can hear you.
Yeah, so sir, I have a very basic question, and
Mhm.
sir, what is the difference between this like agentic AI and Gen AI?
Okay.
And I have no idea, and I'm very much new into this, so
Hmm.
I'm looking forward. So because I saw the other people are also asking the questions, and to be honest, I couldn't understand a bit what they were talking about.
Okay, so see, first of all, this word even that you hear in these topics, generative, it holds a very deep meaning. It is not straightforward. Okay, but if I talk about what it is able to provide us, okay, so if you talk with Chat GPT, have you ever used Chat GPT?
Yes.
What ChatGPT does, if you ask any query, what it does, what is the next thing you will say?
Yeah,
What it
I mean,
does?
like, it
It
gives
provides you a response, right?
correct. Yeah.
And if you see that word by word, it creates a response, right?
Yes.
That what it is doing, it is generating. Okay, so anything which your AI is creating, generating, that is a part of generative AI. But in-depth part we will provide you later, because it is very technical. But if I talk about in your day-to-day, if you see weather application, right? In a weather application, you will see tomorrow's forecasting, day after tomorrow forecasting, yes or no? 10 days forecasting,
Yes.
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 So that actually we generate from machine learning. All right. Machine learning and all of those statistical based method, which we are going to learn. So what
Mhm.
we are doing, based on some historical data, based on some calculations, based on mathematics, we are forecasting what will happen in the next 10 days. And if I talk about the generative part, based on our query, AI is generating something that we want to see. Just
Got it.
like if I provide some video to the AI and ask that in this picture I want to dance like that picture, what AI is doing, AI is generating like that, right? So
Mm.
whenever AI is generating, or just like a painter, just like humans think, that is a part of generative. When it uses mathematics and all of those things, that is a part of machine learning. All right, so you will
Yeah.
understand that more in later. But for now, everything will understand it like a vague topic, because it is very complex. All right.
No, no, no. Actually, my question was like in terms
Mhm.
of the example, like
Yeah. You.
when the
All right.
AI comes into the picture, when
Mm,
the agentic AI come to the picture. That's it.
mhm.
I
All
know
right.
that
Yeah.
maybe we will learn into like our upcoming
Yes.
sessions.
Yes. But was I able to clear your query, at least from the basic level? That's great.
Yeah.
That's
you.
great.
Thank you.
Yes, sure, Rohit. Then we have Sankalp. And guys,
Hi.
when we are done, please unraise your hand. There is option to unraise your hand. All right. Yeah.
Hi, am I audible?
Hey, Sankalp. Yes, Sankalp, you're audible.
Hi, Chris. Hi, Monal. Good morning, and thank you so much for the session. I have few doubts. Like, first of all, I have doubt. Like, I have approximately 13 years of experience in QA automation. So I'm new to this. Like, I have basic understanding of Python, but I am new, you can say. So it is possible for me that after having 13 years of experience in QA field, QA profile, I can make transition maybe after 1 year or 2 year in my
Yes.
current company also, or maybe in outer, like whenever I switch any job outside of it. So it is possible, like
So
after
are you a
having.
manager right now? Are you
No,
a
no,
manager?
I'm at lead position, lead
You're at
QA
lead
lead.
position, right? All
Yes,
right.
yes, yes.
Yes, it is totally possible for you to switch, but for lead, you require a different skill set. You already have a skill set of leading people that you cannot learn from any course, that you only learn from experience. All right. But once you complete this course, and I will tell you, there are different roadmaps also that for a lead, for anyone to be a lead, they should know how to do a deployment. They should know the ends of after machine learning is done, what we should do, the scaling part and other things. That is what that is what is expected from the lead. So that part you need to cover. And once you cover that, once you build things in scale, at least just in your project level, you will be able to tell your current company or other company that this is what I am doing, this is what I'm able to do. So it is totally doable. We will teach you the skills, we will teach you what to say in the interview. We will also tell you that you can, whenever once you have learned something, ask me in the LinkedIn that I want to, this is I want to be this lead, right? Then I will give you a project. If you complete it, then you will be ready for the next part of your life, being a lead in AI. All
Okay.
right.
Okay, a
Sure.
second thing, like let's
Yes.
say you mentioned like we will be following the traditional route, like obviously from basic to advanced, like ML,
Yes.
stat ML, then deep learning NLP, and then
Mhm.
come to Gen AI and let agentic AI. So
Yes.
many people ask like the difference between Gen AI,
Mhm.
agentic AI, and all. So let's say after completing this course for 1 year, and now anyone like whosoever, w- nowadays AI engineer, like we used to listen or hear a lot of like AI engineer, AI engineer. So as a AI engineer, like whosoever is AI engineer is able to do all these work like
Yep.
like
Everything.
ML thing, deep
Everything.
learning thing. Okay.
Everything.
And Gen AI and agentic AI is a part of this. Like
Yes, it's a sub part of this course. You can say that. Okay. They are machine learning, stats is not directly taught in the generative way. That is kind of a prerequisite of there. So if you have that, it is good. Otherwise, they will teach you in certain way that machine learning and stats will not come in the way of learning generative AI.
okay. So after learning
All
all
right.
these things in 1 year, if anyone want to be specific to any particular field, so he or
Yep.
she can choose like maybe Gen AI thing or maybe agentic AI.
Yes, 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 yes,
Okay. But
yes.
as your experience, opinion, we should be open to this along broad field, you can say AI thing. Like
The way things are going
mhm.
now, everyone should be open to everything. Okay.
Okay, okay,
And if you
okay.
can do everything, it means you can retain your position.
Yes, because nowadays is that
Yep. Yep.
market is very tough.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Learn
thank you.
everything. Yes.
Yeah,
Sure.
thank you, Munda.
Yes. Sure, Sankalp. All right, guys. Rohit and Sankalp. Yes. Rohit, I'm raising your hand, and Sai, you're next. Sai. All right.
Am I audible? Am I
Yes,
audible
Sai,
now?
you're audible. You're audible,
Hi,
Sai.
hi. Thank you, Monal. Thank you, Krish,
Yes.
for this wonderful session. First of all, I'm asking very rather instead of questions, these are request. I've had a chat with your. I think when I've gotten to this, Ishan is one of your executives have got in touch with me and has specifically mentioned my requirement. I'm not sure whether you heard of that requirement. I'm having more than 15 years of experience in IT. I've been working in .NET, C, C++, and last 6 7 years working as a scientist. Most importantly, the platform which you are presently what have demonstrated, no, even the
Mhm.
mobile application and the Krishna Academy's platform. I'm not sure whether you heard this term. It is presently not digitally accessible. I mean, I'm not. Are you aware about this term called digital accessibility? Have you, Krish, or you have?
You are talking about accessibility function?
Yes. Accessibility, yeah. So I'm a
Okay.
person with vision impairment, Monal, just for
All
your kind
right.
information.
Understand.
And I use a
Understand.
screen reading software, Krish. So I've
Mm.
specifically requested this. I do agree that one-to-one is not possible. I completely
Mm.
respect that. But
Mm-hmm.
at least whenever you're taking the classes,
Mm.
a small hint from your side that I'm writing a code inside this window because I may not be able to follow your screen
Understand.
because it is not
Understand.
possible for me. Number one.
Understand.
Number
Mm-hmm.
two, and I'm not expecting, I do agree that you have got a burden of a lot of students. So I'm not expecting you to teach me one and one. I completely understand and respect that. But at least few hints from your side,
Sure.
you're doing this in your window.
Yes,
That's
we can
one
do that.
request.
We can
That
do
one
that.
request. Another request, Krish, presently, unfortunately, the platform which you've just demonstrated is not completely accessible. It has got a lot of accessibility violations. If your team needs any support, I'd be happy to help them. Right from sharing resources, how to make it accessible, but it is not presently accessible, unfortunately.
You're saying from the main site, right?
Yeah, the learning LMS and even that mobile application because I've been using mobile application since morning, and then even
Actually,
the
see, the
LMS.
thing is that this LMS, no, it's a
Hmm.
third-party vendor LMS.
I
We
understand that. I
have,
saw the vendor name and everything. At least if you can
yeah,
just
yeah.
share this request with them because sometimes what happens, they have to enable few accessibility options. Accessibility is right
Mm.
from the design, but because a lot of buttons are unlabeled, a lot of controls are unlabeled, they're not keyboard operable. A lot of things which I'm facing, I do agree that it is not possible in within 1 day or 2 days. But at least a
Mm.
request, if you can pass it on to them, no, that would be
Yep.
better, Chris. That's the
That
first
we can
request
do.
on that. Okay.
See, I will definitely share
Yes.
them this issue, like for visually accessible,
It's
like
not
how
only for
it can
visual
be done.
impact, but only ask
For
them to make it
Yes.
accessible for screen reader users. And if they need any
screen
specific
reader.
requests and inputs from my side, let me know
Mm.
because my research is in this area only. I've been working in this digital
Okay,
accessibility
can you
field.
do one thing? Can you just
Yes,
put me a small paragraph and write in the chat so that I can copy that same thing and send to them? Okay,
I will. I
so
will. I
that
will. You want me to do that on a community or
eh,
this here?
yeah, here chat, Zoom
Here,
chat.
chat.
You
Zoom
just
chat
ping me.
because I'm actually accessing Zoom through phone.
Oh,
I'll have to
All right.
okay,
yes.
okay.
So yeah, because type in something, it takes some time for me. And so if you want, I can share it. If you share
Or
an
you can
email
drop this
address,
message to yeah, I will drop my email address.
yeah,
It's
that would be
it's
better.
Sai,
So that
right?
Sai, yes, my full name is Sai Darshan Bhagat. I'm based out of Mumbai. Yeah.
Mm.
I know
All
this is
right.
first time must be happening that your student is requesting this. I completely understand that. But yeah, I'd be happy to be part of
Sure.
these sessions and then would like to learn, of course.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah,
Fine.
sure, sir.
Yeah.
So
Thank you so
I've
much, Chris.
sent
Thank
you
you,
my
Mona.
email ID, Sai.
Yes, I
Okay,
got it.
I've
I've
sent.
received it. I've received it. I can hear.
Okay.
Yes, perfect,
Sure.
perfect. I'll
Sure.
share my details. Thank you, Mona. Thank you,
Sure.
Chris,
Sure.
once again.
Sure.
Thanks for
Thank
the
you very much,
support.
Sai.
Yep. Thank
Yes.
you.
All right. Now we have Prashant. Prashant, you're next.
Guys, don't forget to download the mobile app so that you can also see the videos from the app itself. I've shared both the link for Android and iOS. Thank you.
All right. So Prashant and Candlesticks. That is a funny name. So whoever is available, yeah,
Sorry, I had
Candlesticks.
the wrong login.
All right. It's
Um,
totally fine. Yes.
more of an opinion or an
Mm-hmm.
advice. I
Mm-hmm.
come with over 2 decades of leadership experience, and I've been out of coding and programming as such. But looking, from technology into an AI domain, can you share your thoughts on how much of a help can this course bring in to my career shift, and what should I be focusing on? So it's more of an
Sir,
advice that I'm looking at.
I would suggest you like you should have not joined this unless and until you want to make a fundamental strong. For you, the best batch would be generative AI and agentic AI, the modern route that we are following, right? So that you get an idea of how to building application. Because since you're having 20 plus years of experience, you're mostly looking into the architectural level, where you understand about frameworks, where you understand about LLM ops concepts, where you understand about the architecture part. Uh, so that is what I would actually had suggested you instead you joining this because I know you're not
Yes.
going to
Yeah.
do the coding from scratch and it will be of no use if you have 20 plus years of experience. Does that make sense?
I mean, I am interested in learning the basics because then,
Hmm.
it kind of sets the stage and, makes my fundamental strong.
Hmm.
Uh, so
No,
should I?
I'm not saying in that way, sir. I'm saying in this way, like you don't have to do the coding from scratch in your
Got
case,
it. Got it.
since you're
Got it.
already so much experience. That is what I'm saying. Understanding, learning from fundamentals is always fine. Okay, at
Okay.
any point of time if you have sufficient amount of time. Okay, but I was thinking like how you can put your experience directly right now into the industries.
Got it.
Then
So can
you
I
should
reach
have
out to
followed.
your teams to
Yes,
make
yes, yes.
changes? Okay,
Yeah,
thank
yeah,
you.
yeah, definitely, definitely. And next month also, sir, we are coming up with one modern route batch that is generative AI, agentic AI. You can join that batch if you want my team. They'll move you to that particular batch once it is announced.
Or if I have time, would you recommend I do both? So on one way
Yeah,
I
yeah.
learn the
So
fundamentals
one
and then
route,
also
yeah.
strategically.
So one route I would definitely want to show it to you. So just give me a second, okay? So there are three routes which I have actually shared, and with respect to that, we are going to work with this. Do you see this advanced route?
Hmm.
All three parallel. So all three parallel basically means you're also making your DS fundamentals strong. You are also working on Gen AI, mastering Gen AI, agentic AI. So that is the advanced route.
And is that a faster track or takes
Yeah, it is a
longer?
faster track because
Okay.
what I will do is that in the upcoming classes, I'll give my Udemy courses of data science recordings, which will be for lifetime, which you can learn parallelly if you want to increase the speed. And from the next month, whichever generative AI batch is getting launched, you can follow that track only.
Thank you. Thank you, Krish. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. And then we have Kanika. Okay, you're next.
Yeah,
And we
hi.
have, hello.
Am
Yes.
I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, actually, I wanted to clarify regarding my working experience. I'm coming from a telecom background. I'm having 7+ years of experience, and I was working as a senior software engineer,
Mhm.
and currently I'm not working. So actually I want to transition from non-tech to the tech background, and to be honest, I'm also parallelly currently learning the web development as well. So I'm about to complete my front end part about the JavaScript. So I was a bit concerned regarding can both these
Okay.
things can be aligned.
I
And
will I will tell you. Yes.
yeah.
So currently, I think what you should do is you should do a little bit of planning in terms of, because as you said, telecom directly does not convert to web development. Web development is something that you build based on any requirement. It is totally based on requirement. For telecom, we don't have exactly have a similar one-to-one mapping of web development. All right. For telecom, what you can do in telecom, we have different certifications, and in telecom directly converts to generative AI, agentic AI, as well as machine learning. All right. So there are domains. If you, I will tell you, if you have data, you can ping me on the LinkedIn. And in future, once you learn machine learning part, you can tell me that you want to build something like this, and I will help you, give you direction so that you can proceed there. But web development is something that is good to have a skill for agentic AI, machine learning engineer, so that you can integrate, you can talk to different teams for the development part of it. But I will suggest to not go deep dive into the web development part, because in a telecom you have to convert your experience, right? And the best way to get into AI is via AI, not with development, web development.
Actually, in my telecom domain, I was working in the configuration part
Mhm.
basically. So I'm
Mhm.
now transitioning to the web, I mean, this coding only. So
Mhm.
currently, I'm leaving the telecom domain now.
All right. So where are you heading now? Which domain exactly,
Uh,
Kanika?
I'm actually not working
It's
currently.
totally fine. It's totally
Yeah.
fine. You will understand it soon, because right now it is initial phase of that. But don't worry, we are still here. All right. You will be joining the classes, and once you have more clarity, as I mentioned, go to
Mhm.
machine learning. You are already learning machine learning, agentic AI, and RAG in this course, right? So you're already in the correct path. So once you know more about it, where you are and where you want to head, it will help you there. What is your next step? All
Yeah,
right.
I want to dedicate my next 1 year in this machine
Yes.
learning path only. So that's where I would be needing the help.
Sure, sure. That's great, Kanika. We are here. All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. You're welcome. Then we have Rahul Hamid, and yes,
Uh, Hi, Monal. Can you hear me?
hello. Yes, I
Hello.
can hear you,
Yeah,
Shahul.
yeah. So, Monal, I went through the syllabus. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, as you're covering statistics and everything, I was just
Mm-hmm.
curious that because what I understand is many people tell that you should know about calculus and linear algebra. Is that really required, or like how is it?
Okay, when I will be teaching that, I will tell you that if you don't really understand mathematics, the 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th standard mathematics, that is a optional part. You can understand from the overview how the flow works. Like I will teach you that how to read and interpret those flows. And inside these flows, there comes the mathematics. If mathematics part you are not able to understand it clearly, in interview, no one is going to say derive this, integrate this. They will tell you what is the flow of it. If you understand the flow from a very high level, it is also totally fine.
Yeah,
You're not
just
going to
what.
be a researcher and build new things, right? You're just going to utilize and become the applied agentic AI, applied generative AI engineer. And that's what you will be.
Okay,
So
one
it
last
is, yeah,
question.
yes, sure. Yes.
Yeah. So thanks for that. Since you're in this domain, there's a lot of changes always happening every month and every week. Uh, so I was also, because it all started with this, what is that paper called? What attention is all you need, and then the Chat GPT boom began and everything. Are you going to teach us how to understand or interpret this research papers
Yes,
from archives,
yes.
right?
See, when we go to the deep learning part of it, we will start reading more about the research paper and how to interpret those. And this is for everyone, guys. Chris sir has been advancing from 2012 and 14, I think. Yes, sir. When you started learning this data science. So, guys, this
Yeah.
learning, this learning will never stop. We always have to learn. Chris sir is already learning, creating new things, building new things, and that's what we all are doing. So don't be scared of that. Once you have the clear base, the only thing that is, what is a new skill? I will invest some months on it, some weeks on it, and then you will be able to acquire that skill. But if the fundamental is not clear, then it will again be like, where am I? Where is the head and tail of that particular skill? So that issue. So if you don't want to face that issue, stay in this particular path and you will be fine.
Thank you, Manu. Thanks.
Yeah, sure. Yes. All right. And then Satya, you're next. Satya and Dhananjay. Satya first.
Hey, hi Monal and hi
Hey,
Krish.
Satya.
Yeah. So I'll give my background first so that then I can kind of give you my questions. I am basically around like 15 plus years of experience, and I started. I hope I'm audible clearly, right?
Yes, you're audible. You're audible.
Yes. So I started my journey as a Linux engineer, then from Linux to cloud, and then
Nice.
to DevOps, and now I'm DevOps with multi-cloud. I'm working as an architect. And my recent project I've delivered is, I have actually migrated one of the AI application from AWS to Azure. So I have that kind of knowledge, and I'm looking for getting this AI ML stuff. So my question is basically like, do I kind of include or inculcate the MLOps or AI stuff, or should I kind of go to the data science or AML area?
See,
What do you
once you
maybe
yes.
you and Krish can answer both?
See,
I want.
MLOps is nothing but machine learning operations plus the DevOps part of it. You already are clear
Right.
in the DevOps part of it, right? Once you
Right.
understand machine learning, there will be few steps included in the DevOps which you already know the DevOps part of it, right? So as you're
Right.
senior,
Right.
you already know how to engineer things, right? And once you understand machine learning, what are the artifacts of it? It is just like creating a flow of it in a manner where you can maintain the CI/CD part of it, right? Integration and development part of
Right.
it. But in terms of machine learning, so you
Right.
will be able to do it. So I would suggest you not directly go into the machine MLOps because you already know that, and stay in this path. Uh, you will understand that once machine learning is done, how I should productionize this. If you're able to do it, then you're already in the MLOps part. That's all. Machine learning in DevOps is MLOps. All right.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Another question is basically like, regarding this. It's a course of 12 months, right? So after 12 months, like, how about the access to the recordings and all that?
Yes, you will get access. As Krishna mentioned, you have 1,000 days of access. All right.
Oh, 3 years.
So yes.
Close to. Okay, that's fine.
So yeah, you will have access
Understand.
to this course.
Okay, and my third question is like, I know the basics of Python and all that stuff. Okay, so where previously I have some kind of requirements where I mean, some from companies like from Switzerland, I have interviewed for, they are using R programming language in their statistics and analysis of the share market and all, and in Switzerland. So what's the basic, the idea is like Python versus R,
Okay.
Which one is
The
like
R
super?
is mostly again used by a team who does analytics and statistics. All right, this is where they're using R. In R, we also have R Shiny to create dashboards, right? But that is a very small requirement. If you see on LinkedIn, if you see 200, I will not even say 100. If you see 200, 300 jobs, one of them will mention that R is optional, or one of them will ask that, yes, we require R as the mandatory skill. But other than that, everything is Python, SQL, PySpark, and other things. All right. So if you know that, I will not suggest you to target just the R companies. The skill which you don't know, you know a lot of skills, apply on that particular part.
Okay. The one last question is like,
sure.
So it's basically like I just forgot like.
It's totally fine, Satya.
What's that?
It's fine, Satya. You can again raise your hand. You can again let me know. All right. Is that fine?
Oh,
or if you
one
remember
second.
now, you can tell me.
Uh, yeah. I got it. I got it.
Sure,
So
sure.
I actually do the trainings as well. I'm also done like online, corporate, physical classes in institutes and everything I've done on both DevOps and cloud. Okay. I'll tell you my query, why I'm telling this, because when I teach to the different domain people, when people are migrating to DevOps or cloud, they'll ask all these questions what they're asking now, right? So I used to answer the similar questions. Um, in my training, what I used to tell them is like, once you're done with the training, you will get an experience level of 3 to 4 years. That's why that's where I kind of target.
Yes.
So how about this course curriculum, and after this, like how much I can gain, how can I can match to a professional who is really working on ARML stuff?
Yeah, I will tell you, the professional in AI right now is all over the place. There is no standard metric. Okay. Companies are saying 5 to 7 for a senior role, and still they are hiring for 2 to 3 years experience, because it is not based on years of experience in this particular field. What happens if someone is working on generative AI and has built a lot of amazing projects? Even the not even fresher, even the people who are in college, not even completed their degree, they're able to build things. All right. So it totally depends on, if the company requirement says +3 years, then obviously that fresher will not be able to apply. But that fresher, once join the startup, they will be able to complete their transfer their knowledge to the years of experience directly, right? So it totally depends on where we are applying, what is the company requirements. But based on the knowledge, you will be yes.
No, not the question is not about the how many years of experience. The question is like, after the completion of this course, if I do everything hands-on and projects and all, so where my
Yes.
skill set will match to a real working professional.
You will be able to match to a working professional of 2 to 3 years of experience. Okay.
Got it.
Yes. 2 to 3 years experience relevant in AI engineer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's all I have.
Sure, Satya. That's great. Then we have Dhananjay.
Good morning, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
First of all, good morning, sir. Actually, I want to ask or highlight some points like I'm a student. I'm a pre-final year student in engineering CSE, and I guess measure of our community contains like experienced person in industry. So I just wanted to highlight a point that if you were to teach us from scratch, like even some of us like students don't know how to like post on GitHub. Like I personally don't know how to
You will teach.
perform on GitHub and LinkedIn. So please, I would like you will teach
Understand,
us.
sure. We will teach.
Okay, sir.
As I mentioned, right? Even how to post on LinkedIn, what things you need to mention. I will create some kind of a prompt or something which will help you guys to do that. And anything, as I mentioned, for the first 6 months, we are literally going to spoon feed everyone. Okay. So you're going to, there is no prerequisite, there is no gaps in your knowledge that is going to stop you from learning this course. All right.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure. Yes, no problem. All right. Shiva Subramaniam.
Yes, Monal, sir. I am almost in BPO almost 11 years as a senior business associate, not a team leader. And I want to know, I started doing as a data sciences courses. I don't, I thought to do, but I don't know whether I can get a job or or do freelances from this. What I can apply and how I can get output from it.
Okay.
That's the thing.
Shiva, once you learn something for the first initial 6 months, see if you have you did you went to any of those websites which provides freelancing gigs, freelancing jobs? Have you enrolled in any one of them? Have you logged in or signed up to any of those freelancers places?
Yeah, Upwork, I just enrolled it.
Have,
I see
all right.
lots
So
of
if
persons
you
are
check in
posting.
Upwork and everything, freelancing is mostly on the things that are latest in the market. They require help, quick help, right? And the quick market is generative AI, agentic AI, machine learning, and other things are mostly kind of a full time, but still there are freelancing part of it. So if you want to go into the freelancing part of it, I will suggest you to in parallel work with generative AI and agentic AI. That will cover your ground on the freelancing part of it. Okay, I will also help you how to do the freelancing. Others will teach you in the course. Okay. And for what was the other question? This is the freelancing part is done.
Yeah, another part is I'm more than 11 years of experience in a BPO part. I was starting this course as starting from scratch. Whether I can able to get a job, that's the
You
thing.
will be
A
able to
career
get a job. See,
transition.
first thing for any senior is to convert their current experience to the AI part of it. Okay. Once you understand anything, once you are, if you see some problem in your current job, I'm talking about problem statement, not a problem, but a problem statement in your current job. What you can do, you can create a minimal viable product (MVC), okay, MVP, and also create a POC of it. Then you can pitch those POCs to your team because managers and other, higher ups only want that how to convert clients into like for better transition, right? Clients will pay for that. If you can create something for that, they will be able to convert that into some other company. So once you have that confidence that you can build something, then you will be able to switch it. So I will help you build that confidence, but it is totally up to you what you want to build, how much you will practice on that.
Yes, thank you, sir. Yeah.
Sure. Yes, and next is Satya. Did we already covered yours? Kanika? Kanika?
Yeah, I have one more question.
Yes,
Just
sure.
yeah,
Sure.
a small question.
Mhm.
Since this is an induction session, and in the course section also there is the get started section, and there are around 5 videos in it. So
Mhm.
before Wednesday, do we need to complete
No,
those videos,
you don't
or
need that is for fast track. If you guys want to
I
learn
mean,
things beforehand,
it will
yeah,
be teaching us from scratch or something?
that will always teach you from scratch. Okay. So if you want to do fast track, you guys can check those 5 lectures. Those are big lectures, but you can cover things one by one. And if you want to learn, because that is a different syllabus as compared to this one, but that covers the major part of what we are going to learn, the major blocks of it. Here we have major blocks, lot of mini blocks, lot of newer tools also that we'll be covering in the course. But that is different. This is different. For the fast track, you can refer that. All right. Anika? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, Monal, yes.
Okay, sure. I think something is wrong on Kanika side. Okay, Satya, is your doubt already clear? Satya Anuganti? All right, next one is Gomati. Gomati.
Hey, hi, Monal.
Hello, hi.
Sorry, Monal, you called me?
Satya, your doubt is already cleared, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm lowering your head. Yes, sorry, Gomati, you can go next.
Yeah, first of all, I have been, I heard your meetings before, so it was very good. So I have 3 questions, Monal. So first question is, what are the different roles we can apply once we complete this course or while doing
All
this
roles.
course?
All roles. This course is designed so that you can apply to all the roles. I showed you, right? What I showed you the screen, I think, where I have all of these roles. At the start of this page, you will be able to see these roles: data scientist, machine learning engineer, deep learning engineer, AI engineer, agentic AI engineer. You can apply to all of these roles.
Okay. So I
Okay.
have second question.
Mhm.
How can we keep ourselves outstanding as industry standards keep updating, or and the role requirement also keep getting updated. So how can
Yes.
we keep ourselves outstanding every time it gets updated?
See, once you, as I
Is not
is
audible.
it
Just
good
check.
now?
Yeah. Now
Yeah.
good.
All right. Yeah,
Yeah.
something happened. Okay, so as I mentioned before, that once you have the base clear for any new skill, it is very easy to learn. All right, but to implement, you have to become a kind of you have to have a engineer kind of a mindset that I have to integrate this. This is the new tech skill. I have to. Okay, answer me. If a new app comes in your Play Store or iOS store, do you feel that I'm not able to use this application?
No.
No, but it does have some kind of a learning curve at the start, right? Where
Mm.
are different tabs of it, what I will be doing with these apps. It does have some kind of a learning. So similarly, once you are experienced professional, once you understand the base of it, it all feel like a new kind of application. Yes, it does have application, that app does something, but it does have a base that, okay, this application does have setting. From the setting, I can do certain things. From the home, I will be able to see something, see all the things. From the payment, I will be able to see my payment and subscription. Yes, all of them have some kind of a basic that is also present in our technical part. If you learn Python, machine learning, and others, you will see that with the help of these technologies, you will solve some X problem. With the help of databases, you will solve some Y problem. With the help of API, you solve some Z problem. So everything, technologies are based on problem and their solution. So once you know that, it is very easy to learn things. But yes, your base should be very clear. And that's what you're going to build here, Gomati.
Thank you, Monal. And my third question is, so as we'll be showcasing ourselves here by the end of this course, we may be 2+ years of experience person as knowledge as them. So here, since we are, some of them are already experienced and some might be fresher. So I am a experienced person. So here I have to showcase myself as a fresher in this domain, or I should show myself as 2+ years of experience and try a
You should
job with
show
that.
yourself as a, because otherwise, how they are going to come, how you're going to compete with others, other, because if you're competing with freshers, that is not really converting your experience, right? But as I'm always mentioned, even HRs knows that whatever you have learned from all of the 7 years experience, 10 years experience, 20 years experience, that you cannot learn as a fresher. Yes, you do know how to manage things, you do know how to talk to client, you do know how to communicate with teams and other things. Yes, Gomati?
Yes, yes.
That, do you think that fresher has that skill?
No, it comes with experience.
Yes, it comes with experience. So you already have something. What you have to do is use those experience which you've learned in all of those years and convert that with AI, ML, and all of those things. So you are a professional. You are a professional then. So yes, you will be able to convert it. I will help you. How many years of experience with the help of these projects? What you can do later. All right.
Okay. So in such case, our salary and experience will also get
Yes,
compensated.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you so
Right.
much, Monal.
Sure,
Thanks.
sure, Kamati. Yes.
Have a nice day.
Yes, have a nice day. And Jayant, Jayant.
Hey, hi.
Hey, Jayant.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah. First of all, very big thank you for arranging this session. And yeah, I used a wrong login. Jayant is my
All right.
son's name. My name is Satish.
All right. Hey, Satish.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So, also, I have a couple of questions. So, first thing is, let me tell my background. So, I come from a, I'm right now working in a MNC, product development MNC, and right now I'm working as an architect, and I'm having about 20+ years of experience. Right. So, my experience or the or the ones which in our company are mostly in .NET, C Sharp, and Java, right? And like the opportunities within the company and are for the AI and ML are there, but it is very limited, and I'm not sure if I can get an opportunity there. So my question is like, I mean, I'm very much eager to learn all these things and absorb all these things. Like, how do I approach, like, if I want to transition from my current position as a Java architect or something into a Gen AI architect or some other AI related role? So how do I
All right.
transition my things, and with also with respect to the projects, right? projects and the like architecture. So how do I attack this when let us say if I after this I understood or I learned thing and want to explore more opportunities, right? So or to approach other companies. So how do I make myself
Understand.
ready with respect to projects and other things? Can you help me in that?
Understand. Sure, sure. All right. As an architect, I think from my point of view, from my experience working with architects, architects are not bound by even technologies or languages, right? Some of the modules might be written in Go, some of the modules might have been written in Java, some of them might be written in C++. Architect job is never to see the language. Architect job is to solve the problem. I think this is what you are being solving also.
Sure.
Yes. Yes. So in terms of architect level, you should also think of an AI as a module in the whole picture, because AI is not a product by itself. In terms of product, there are a lot of moving components that creates a product. Yes.
Yep.
So AI will also be in that product. It can be in a product of Java ecosystem, but in that Java will be calling via some API, which AI engineers will be handling it, and AI engineers will be creating that endpoints, which will be answering whatever the request is. It can be stats request, it can be another metrics, it can be even NLP request like a generative AI, create an image, video, anything, right?
Right.
But the whole ecosystem that you have already covered, that is with Java and other things, that is like the 90% of the application. The 10% in terms of the whole product comes the AI part of it, because AI comes at the end of it, like a functionality that we are adding, a cool functionality or some kind of a new ROI which we want to convert from the client. So to convert your experience to an AI architect, all it do is understand this AI concept which we are doing, but in terms of problem statement of product, how you're going to integrate it, what are the different components which will be requiring, maybe in terms of database schema, what you'll be requiring, because being an architect, database schema, creating all of those things, API request, concurrency, and other things comes also, right? In AI, that will also comes concurrency, other things part. So once